Students, in this video we will solve NCERT exercise 2.5 question number 16. In this question you have been asked about what are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given below. In the first case the volume is given to be 3x square minus 12x. We know that volume of cuboid is equals to length into breadth into h, that is height. So on factorizing three x square minus 12x, we have, you can see, we can take 3 common and x also we can take common. So taking 3x common, we get x minus 4. So now we are getting 3 factors as 3x and x minus 4. So here 3 can be length, x can be breadth, and x minus 4 can be height. Therefore, the possible outcomes of the cuboid dimensions are 3x and x minus 4 units. Now come to the second part. In this you have been given volume is equal to 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Again we know that the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, and here in this case you can take common 4k, taking common in all the terms. So we take 4k common, we get 3y square plus of 2y minus of 5. And what is this? This is a quadratic polynomial. So splitting the coefficient of the middle term y, 2y, we have the coefficient of y in this case is plus of 2. Now the two parts of plus of 2 can be plus of 5 and minus of 3. And why we have taken these two as a factor? Since you can see the coefficient of y square is 3 and the constant term is minus 5 and their product is minus of 15. And you can see the two parts we have taken are 5 and minus 3 and their product is also minus 15. Therefore we can write 3y square plus 2y minus of 5 as 3y square minus of 3y plus of 5y minus of 5y. So we have splitted this middle term 2y into minus 3y and plus 5y. Now we can take 3y common in the first two terms. We will get y minus 1 as our first factor, and taking 5 common in the last two terms, again we are getting y minus 1 as the factor. And now we shall take y minus 1 as a common factor. The other factor will be 3y plus 5. Therefore, the given volume, that is 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k, can be written as 4k multiplied by y minus 1, sorry, and 3y plus 5. Therefore, the possible dimensions of the cuboid are 4k, y minus 1 and 3y plus 5. So in this way we can find the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given to you. Thank you so much. Hope you like it. Please subscribe my channel.